Hey everyone, Craig here with CostCertified. Currently working on an estimate for Angela, who's actually already accepted the job, but has come back and said, you know what, I want to make a little bit of a change. The change on this one is she actually has requested that we actually start working on a kitchen for her as well. So let me show you what this looks like. So currently we've added in the full bathroom. She's accepted the job, and as you can see here on the top right, it says mark in progress. That means the job is actually ready to go to be in the build stage. They've already accepted all the details for this initial quote. Now, they've come back and said we want to add the kitchen, so I'm going to click add. And I'm going to go under the approved assemblies here, and I'm going to say they want to go with kitchen 3. I'm going to add that into here, and it will then create all the details for the kitchen. So I can open this and I can see there's different dimensions in here. I'm going to leave those for right now. And then I'm going to save this quote. So we've added in the kitchen based on the request. Now, after that, you notice on the left side, we've got changes. So I'm going to click on the changes section here, and you're going to see down below, you've got your initial quote, the initial version that is on there. And it says here, we've sent it out to them and that they've authorized the work to be done. But they've, like I said, have come back and said, you know what, I want to add in the kitchen. So now what we've done is we've added a change order. So I've got here change order number 1. So you can see here, nothing's been sent or seen, or there's no authorization from the client. This is a great way to track when you should work on projects for these changes or not. We haven't sent it to the customer, so all you would need to do is send, and then they can actually go through the estimate and authorize the work to be completed. If they come back and they want to make any other changes as they progress, they can do that through the software as well, and you'll just be able to send out each of the change orders to them, and you can track it. So if you're curious what the changes are on each one, you come on the right side to the 3 dots, click on that, and go review changes made to this order. And it will actually tell you, here we've added the kitchen 3, and these are all the additional pieces that we've added in. So you can see the resulting changes. Here, we've added the bathroom ones from previous, so you can see all those details. But the primary piece is where it says added, these will be added into the actual quote.